Did you know chronic inflammation is like that one house guest who never leaves, eats all your food, and messes up your place? Yeah, super annoying. And here's the worst part. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest risk factors for cancer. But here's the twist. What if I told you one natural remedy used for thousands of years has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that might just help your body fight back? Hint, you probably have it in your cabinet right now. If you're over 50, you know how important it is to keep your body strong, reduce inflammation, and support your immune system. So today, we're diving into how castor oil may help fight cancer, reduce inflammation, and naturally detox your body. And trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this one, because at the end, I'll share a little known castor oil detox trick that could make a huge difference for your health. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is part of my 6-video castor oil series, and you do not want to miss what's coming next. Also, if you're ready to start using castor oil, I've linked my favorite high-quality cold-pressed castor oil and castor oil packs in the description below. Castor oil isn't new. It's been around longer than forks and indoor plumbing. In Ayurvedic medicine, castor oil was used to purge toxins from the body, something modern research now connects to lowering chronic inflammation, which plays a key role in cancer development. In the early 20th century, holistic health pioneers swore by castor oil packs to stimulate the lymphatic system, support detoxification, and boost immune function. Chronic inflammation is a known trigger for many cancers. Studies suggest that ricinoleic acid, the main compound in castor oil, has potent anti-inflammatory effects which may help lower cancer risk. Your immune system is like your body's security team. When it's weak, abnormal cells can slip through. Castor oil is believed to stimulate the lymphatic system, which plays a huge role in removing harmful cells. Some early research suggests that certain compounds in castor oil may have cytotoxic effects on cancer cells, meaning they could slow or prevent tumor growth. Now let's be clear. Castor oil is not a cure for cancer, but its detoxifying, inflammation-reducing, and immune-boosting properties make it an amazing natural tool for overall health and disease prevention. Power tip number 1. Castor oil packs for detox and cellular support. One of the best ways to use castor oil for cancer prevention and immune health is through castor oil packs. These help stimulate lymphatic circulation, detox the body, and eliminate harmful waste that contributes to inflammation and disease. So here's how to do it. Apply warm castor oil generously to your stomach, covering the liver, intestines, and lymph nodes. Place a castor oil pack or organic flannel over the area. Cover with a towel and apply heat for 45 to 60 minutes several times a week. All right, let's talk about inflammation. It's basically the root of all evil when it comes to disease. What if you could kick inflammation to the curb using 2 of the most powerful natural remedies in the world? Introducing castor oil and turmeric. Turmeric is basically Mother Nature's ibuprofen. It's loaded with curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Power tip number 2. Castor oil and turmeric blend for inflammation control. Mix half a teaspoon of castor oil with a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply to swollen joints, inflamed areas, or even the abdomen for immune and liver support. Leave on for 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This blend can help with joint pain, swelling, and overall inflammation. Bonus, you won't smell like a pharmacy. If you're new to using castor oil for healing, I've created a free castor oil checklist to help you get started. It's packed with tips on how to use castor oil safely and effectively. You can grab it in the description below. Want a step-by-step breakdown of all the ways castor oil can support immune health, detox, and inflammation relief? Check out my Ultimate Castor Oil and Natural Remedies Guide, linked in the description. So, what did we learn today? Castor oil is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that may help lower cancer risk. It supports the immune system by improving lymphatic drainage. It may even have detoxifying and cellular supporting effects. And remember, whether you're over 50, 70, 90, or even 1,000, age is just a number. It's never too late to take control of your health naturally. Now, here's something shocking. Over 50% of people over 50 struggle with nerve pain, tingling, or numbness. If that's you, you need to watch the next video, where I reveal how castor oil combined with a surprising ingredient can help relieve nerve pain and support circulation. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss it.